you know, we've been at the verge of annihilation many, many times, and somehow we've managed to survive. I don't know how lucky we're going to be in the next round or the following round. So I think it's very important to really preserve the heritage and the identity. I am very concerned, very scared about what's going on in Israel. I don't think that holding on, and this is my political spiel, I don't think that holding on to the territories is that smart, and I think that that's creating a different psyche. I grew up with an Israel that was ethical, that was pioneer, that I don't see it now necessarily, at least not as obvious. So, now preserving the Jewish values, I think, is really, really important, because I don't think that we're necessarily totally safe, and as the numbers of Jew haters increase, and the number of Jews doesn't increase as proportionally as much, I am concerned about the future of Jews. So I don't want us to become just another, museum piece, like the Jewry. And when we went to Eastern Europe, and we realized that most of the temple, most of the synagogues are sort of museum pieces. It's sort of, it's a pretty scary thought. So I'm concerned.